explain how to resolve the glitches which will occur while using the looping structure of your Raptor tool. Okay, so Raptor tool, which is a tool used to draw a basic flowchart. While drawing the flowchart, you may use the looping structure. So while using that looping structure, some glitches are there, which is very complicated one. Some students and some basic learners are feeling a very complicated one. So I will give some resolution for that. Just to follow this procedure. Okay. Now let me show you the Raptor tool. Just to open the Raptor tool. So this is what the basic Raptor tool, which is opened with a default project with a start and end symbol. Now I will try to use the looping structure. In order to use that looping structure, you just drag and drop this looping symbol into your project. This is the looping symbol. We know that this looping symbol is used to perform iteration, which will execute the set of statement for n number of times, right? And in this looping symbol, in this diamond symbol, you have to specify the condition, looping condition. If this looping condition is going to false, then the looping structure is going to repeat the set of statements. If the looping condition is going to true, then it will terminate the looping condition and it will come out of your looping structure. This is what happened in your flowchart Raptor tool. But in case of traditional C program, not only C program, in all the programming languages, the looping structure will work only for the true conditions. For false condition, the looping structure will be terminated. So when comparing with this, the Raptor tool looping structure is directly reverse, which means it will work for the false condition and it will exit for the true condition. So most of the beginner and learner will face some confusion while using this condition. When using the condition in your Raptor tool, they will face some confusions. Okay, so in order to avoid this confusion, we can make some changes to this looping structure itself. Okay, by making these changes, you can able to make this looping structure to work for the true condition and it will exit for the false condition, which means it will be more similar to the looping structure which is available in some other programming language. Now I will tell you the procedure how to change the structure of this looping statement. Okay, just follow that follow that procedure. Now you can close the Raptor tool. In your start button, just click the start button and type regedit, R-E-G edit. Okay, regedit. It will show you a program called regedit.exe. Just to open that regedit.exe. Right. So in this regedit.exe, you will be having a directory explorer at the right hand side. So in this directory explorer, you will be having a directory called hkey underscore local underscore machine, right? Under this folder, you have to expand that folder. Just expand this local machine folder. Under that folder, you'll be having a subdirectory called software. Again, just expand that software directory. In this directory, you have to ensure that whether there is a Raptor tool directory or not. You have to confirm that whether the directory for Raptor tool is already available or not. So there is no such a directory. Now you have to create the directory. So in order to create the directory for your Raptor tool, just right click on the software directory, right click, and there will be a submenu called new. Just click that submenu and there will be a option called key. Just click this key, right? Now a new directory has been created. You have to rename that new directory as Raptor. Just type the word Raptor and your folder will be renamed to Raptor. Now you have to create a registry file inside this Raptor directory. In order to create a registry file, just again right click on this Raptor directory, then click new. Then you will be having an option called string value. Just click the string value. A registry file is created under this directory. You have to rename this registry file as reverse underscore logic underscore reverse loop underscore logic. Okay, reverse loop underscore logic. Just rename this file as given. Now you have to edit this file. In order to edit this file, just double click on that file and it will ask for wizard. So in this wizard, just enter the value data as true. Okay, just enter the value data as true. Now the procedure has been almost completed. Just to close this, just to close the registry editor. Now again open the Raptor tool. Now just again open the Raptor tool. Yeah, so this is the default project with the start and end symbol. Now you just drag and drop the looping symbol. Just to see, are you able to note the difference between the previous looping symbol and the looping symbol which I have created now? So now the looping symbol will work for the true condition and it will exit for the false condition, right? So this will be more easier for the